Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best alphabet keychain on the market. The Suweibuke Fashion Black Initial Letter Keychain with tassel for women and girls. If you're looking to add a stylish and personalized touch to your keys, purse, handbag, or backpack, this keychain is designed to stand out and elevate your everyday accessories. Right from the start, the Suweibuke keychain impresses with its unique initial letter design. Created by professional designers, each keychain features a beautifully crafted letter that allows you to customize it with your own initial or the initial of someone special to you. Whether it's your name, a loved one's, or a meaningful letter, this keychain turns something simple into a personalized statement piece. One of the key features of this product is the elegant black color paired with a chic tassel. The color is carefully chosen to be more sophisticated and versatile than the usual bright options, making it a perfect match for various styles and occasions. The tassel adds a touch of flair and softness to the overall look, creating a charming accessory that catches the eye without being over the top. Material-wise, the keychain is crafted from high-quality epoxy resin, known for its durability and resistance to deformation or fractures. The keyring itself is made from rose gold alloy electroplating, which not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also ensures a sturdy hold for your keys or charms. This combination of materials strikes a nice balance between elegance and robustness, so you get a product that lasts while looking great. The design also emphasizes ease of use. The keyring opens and closes smoothly, making it convenient to attach or remove keys and charms without hassle. This functional aspect is just as important as the style, since a keychain should be practical enough for daily use while maintaining its charm. Another thing to highlight is the versatility of this keychain. It's not just for keys, you can use it to accessorize purses, handbags, backpacks, or even bags, instantly upgrading their look with a personalized touch. It makes for a great gift as well, suitable for a variety of occasions like birthdays, holidays, graduations, or just as a thoughtful surprise for friends and family. The product arrives in a compact package weighing just 0.7 ounces, making it easy to carry around or gift without any fuss. It's designed specifically for women and girls, embracing a fashionable yet subtle look that complements different tastes and outfits. To summarize, the Suweibuke Fashion Black Initial Letter Keychain with tassel offers a wonderful mix of personalization, elegant design, and quality materials. Whether you want to treat yourself or find a meaningful gift for someone special, this keychain checks all the boxes with its stylish appearance, durable build, and practical functionality. If you're looking to add a chic and personal charm to your daily essentials, this keychain is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.